Session 1, an introduction to financial reporting. First of all, the agenda. We'll start with what financial reporting actually is, then move on to the financial statements, the users of the financial statements, business entities, and governance. Part 1, financial reporting. What actually is it? Financial reporting is three things. It's the recording, analysing, and summarising of an organisation's financial data. High quality financial reports are crucially important for the business so it can run itself, so it knows how it's doing, how it's performing, and its stakeholders, which is anyone who has a vested interest in the business, like the employees, investors, the government. Types of reports required by the business and its stakeholders will vary. There are two main forms of accounting that will produce different types of reports, and they are as follows. It's financial accounting, which is covered in this module, all of these sessions on financial accounting, the financial accounting paper. This involves producing financial reports for external users, and these show the financial health of the organisation. Management accounting involves producing information to aid the managerial decisions that are made in the day-to-day operations. This information is presented in a form that is useful for the management of the company. Drilling down into a bit of more detail on both, financial accounting required statutory financial statements. That just means there is a legal requirement to produce the statements. They're prepared in accordance with accepted accounting rules and principles, UK GAAP, generally accepted accounting principles, and international financial reporting standards, which is IFRS. There's not a lot of difference between the two. You can probably achieve double compliance in most cases. Certainly for the purposes of this paper you can. Financial accounting captures historic performance of the company over a period of time, created for external users, and an example of some of the output, some of the content of a set of financial accounts will be a statement of profit and loss that we will look at in terms of detail of format in a few slides' time. Management accounting, on the other hand, the reports produced are not required by law. There is no set of statutory management accounts. They're not prepared in accordance with a generally accepted set of principles. They're prepared to a standard and format that suits the managers. Financial accounting summarises historic performance. Management accounting can do that, but also captures future as well, so can capture both historic and future performance of an organisation. Created largely for internal users, so the people running the company, the managers or the directors, will produce the management accounts. And an example of output, an example of something that will be included in management accounts in most cases, will be an annual budget, perhaps a sales budget or a profit budget or a cash budget.